What you doing, Dennis?
That's a great question. Today I'm making Chicago-style pizza puffs. How do I turn this off? If you've never had a Chicago-style pizza puff, you don't see them commonly outside of the Chicago area, which is kind of weird because I grew up with them, but they're pretty simple. They are basically just fillings. The ones I have start with Italian sausage, pizza sauce, cubed mozzarella, and it's all wrapped up in a flour tortilla, and then it is fried. You don't have to use a deep fryer. You can just use just a shallow pan for that, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. So once your sausage is done browning, all you have to do is mix some pizza sauce in there. I always just use the cheap stuff. We're not really in a spot where we are going to be going out grocery shopping a bunch anyway, so the canned stuff's perfectly fine. Pizza puffs are super cheap anyway. They're like $3.50, $4 at the pizza stand, or pizza stand, at the hot dog stand. And you know, it's a real pizza puff if you're getting it from a hot dog stand and not from somewhere nice. They're always sold as a side for some reason, and never like a main entree or something like that. Like they're always going to be lumped in with French fries and onion rings and stuff like that for whatever reason. But that's how it's always been since I was a kid. Okay, then just let that simmer till everything comes together. Just till it's cooked. Then we're going to cool it off.
Now, when your cats smell that you're cooking, they're going to be hungry too. So always make sure that they have something to eat so that they don't try to steal your beautiful, beautiful pizza puffs.
So the trickiest part about pizza puffs is the way they're folded. No, you don't have to show me.
Oh.
But they're folded in a very specific way. It's kind of it's kind of interesting because they take a circle and turn it into a rectangle, basically. So I actually reached out to a taco truck in Denver called Migration Taco, and they taught me how to fold these, and it's a little bit tricky, but also makes sense. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. So you start with your 12-inch burrito tortilla, and you want to get your sauce that's cooled off now. It's the sausage and pizza sauce combination. You want to do a layer right here. You don't want it too big. Okay, you do it like that. And then, for whatever reason, pizza puffs always have cubed cheese in them. They don't use shredded or anything like that, so you get these little blocks of melted cheese. So this I hand cut into little tiny cubes. Just spread out on here as much as you want. So here's the tough part, is the folding. You start like this. You have your filling there. Fold up this way once. And you fold the opposite way like this. Okay. Now you fold up like that. And then to get the flour to stick, the tortilla to stick to itself, I use a little bit of water and brush it down with my fingers and fold it over like that. And there you have a pizza puff that's ready to fry. You can also put whatever you feel like in this method. So we can also do dental floss. Got some Pepto-Bismol and an entire can of Spam. I did it. If you put the pizza puff directly in the oil right away, it actually won't cook fast enough, so the middle won't melt. The cheese won't get all gooey or anything like that. So it seems like a little bit of a cheater hack, but actually it's good to get the inside melted. So I recommend microwaving it for about a minute before you put it in the oil. In case you've never seen a microwave. Woohoo! Before, I don't actually have a thermometer for the oil, so my mom shows me this really cool trick. It involves a wooden chopstick. In order to know if your oil is about ready, you actually put the tip of the chopstick into the oil.
Just the tip?
I'm gonna have to cut that out. And if it starts bubbling like that, then you know the oil is good to go. See? You're gonna have to be really careful here. Just gently put the pizza puff in the oil. Just let it go. We're basically just looking for it to be golden brown on each side. It does not take long at all. So it cooks together. Quick flip. Sometimes it'll come apart a little bit, but you just press on the seam, keep it cooked. Just gonna let it drain for a minute and cool off for a minute, and then we'll dig in. Ha ha ha! We'll dig in. Hey.
Is that a joke?
No. So here is our pizza puff. Just gonna cut into it. There you have it. You're gonna have layers of fried tortilla and hot melted cheese and sausage and pizza sauce. So this is exactly what you would get at a hot dog stand nearby, and they will burn your mouth off, so just wait for a minute before you eat them. Perfect.
I want to thank Migration Taco for showing us how to properly fold these, as it is fairly difficult. Just as a reminder, we are doing these videos in support of Paulie G's Logan Square. We actually have a donation fund set up. There will be a link below in the description, so if you are able to or want to, please feel free to donate. We could use it, and hopefully we will see you soon, make more pizza and make more videos. Bye!